Earn Your Way to the Summer Olympics. This is a 7th grade math review, and it takes about 2 weeks with your students, depending on their level. The instructions on the first 2 slides. So students are going to have 8 challenges they overcome using all 7th grade math standards. And for each city they travel to, they're working to earn a spot on the Olympic team. So they're going to answer math questions. They're going to choose their Olympic sport, learn about different cultures around the world, keep a journal, keep track of their progress on a map, maintain a travel itinerary, and they're going to import photos into Google from the cities that they visit. Now, what's really important is that on every slide, they're going to click on the soccer ball to take them to the next place in the slide deck because it doesn't always go exactly in order. So it's really important that they always click on that soccer ball. So the first task is a competition in Los Angeles to earn a bus ticket. Students are going to answer adding and subtracting integers. So they just type in the answers. Teacher gives them a score. When they get a score of 10, they move on to the next slide. Once they get that score of 10, they get their bus ticket to Los Angeles. They're going to do some research on Los Angeles. They're going to choose their Olympic sport. So if they need ideas, they just click on this soccer ball. Takes them to a slide that lists all of the different events. Once they've chosen, they can go right back to slide 7. And I've got something on my screen, so I can't quite get to the link, but it will be there for you. And then when they're finished, click on soccer ball again. They're going to take them to their itinerary. So with each city, they're just going to fill out one row at a time. How many miles did they travel from home? What was the date of their arrival? And then this, for the first one, their type of transportation is a bus. So just one row at a time. Now this will take them to the map, world map. So for the first one, these are all be at the bottom. For the first one, they have to find their city of Los Angeles on the world map. So it's going to be one of these red dots. So they click and hold on Los Angeles, move it up here into place. I just moved my link. And then they click on the soccer ball, it'll take them to the next event. So they only do one at a time, depending on which city they're in. Now this will take them to slide 10. They're going to fill out their journal. So they just need to type, just make up, be very creative about what may have happened to them with their Olympic event at the first trial. Then they're going to import 3 pictures. So to do that, pictures of Los Angeles, they're going to do this for every city they visit. So insert, image, search the web. And then they can just find a picture they want. It'll have a check mark and click insert. And they just need to play around with it, shape it. They're going to make it smaller so it fits. And this little circle at the top will turn it into place if they need to turn it. And so they're going to import 3 pictures for every city. Then they're going to move on to math task 2. So they're going to do everything they did before again, this time to get them to their next competition in Rio. And they're going to answer questions on multiplying and dividing integers. When they get all 10 correct, then they get their ticket to Rio. So everything, they're going to do everything again. Then they're going to earn a ticket to Cape Town, South Africa by completing distributive property problems. Then they're going to get a ticket to Egypt, Cairo, Egypt, by combining like terms, one-step equations, multiplying and dividing fractions, two-step equations, and converting fractions, decimals, and percentages. So it takes about 2 weeks to go through all of these. I've also included a couple grading guides, one for points, a rubric if you'd rather grade with a rubric, or you can do your own grading. And all of the completed slides are on here. So if you assign this to the students, just come up here to File, make a copy of the entire presentation, and then delete all of the completed slides. So I hope you enjoy.